Tarts with Nutella and bonus truffles. I wanted to share a no-bake sweet recipe featuring the famous Nutella. Did you know that Nutella was invented in Piedmont, Italy, by Pietro Ferrero around 1940? In this recipe, I am combining our tarallini and Nutella to create the perfect chocolate tarts. This makes the perfect treat to prepare with your kids, as you can get creative with the decorations. Let's start, shall we? Here are the ingredients: 1 jar 450 grams of Nutella, 450 grams of plain tarallini, you will need 2 packs, 60 grams of unsalted butter and a few drops of vanilla essence, 10 spoons milk of your choice, I used skimmed. Extra ingredients to decorate the tarts, optional, fresh strawberries. Fig balsamic vinegar, check tips for other balsamic options. Start by blitzing the tarallini in a food processor, adding the drops of vanilla midway through the blitzing. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a NutriBullet or something similar. The other option is to place the tarallini in a Ziploc bag and break them using a rolling pin. Place the blitzed tarallini in a bowl. Next, melt the butter in the microwave, or on the stove using the double boiler method, and pour it over the tarallini. You can use a fork or a cutter to incorporate the butter into the tarallini. Next, add the milk 1 to 2 teaspoons at a time, mixing everything together to form a sticky consistency. Take your silicone molds and start pressing the tarallini crumbly mixture to the bottom to form the tart base. The following steps involve layering the Nutella on the tarts. I use 2 teaspoons for each tart. You can continue this technique with the rest of the crumble to make 12 tarts, or make Nutella truffles with the remaining crumble. If you want the recipe for the Nutella truffles, head over to our Instagram or Facebook at Taste with Gusto, where I will be sharing the recipe. Once you have finished spreading the Nutella on each tart, place the mold in the freezer for around 30 minutes. Finally, remove the chocolate tarts from the freezer and the molds, and arrange them on a serving platter. Serve as is or with your preferred toppings. Buon appetito!